Integrating Contact Form 7 and Elementor is very easy. First, what you want to do is download Contact Form 7, download the plugin for it. So plugins, add new, search for Contact 7. We want to install that. And activate it. You'll then get an icon to the left of the screen. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Scroll down. And then what we're going to do is edit this. And you can insert here a number of fields. When you're happy with the form, what we want to do is take this code at the top, copy that, and then we're going to paste it in the short code section in Elementor.